Hello everyone, my name is Yousifabdelrahim. I am an assistant professor of management at Prince Mohammed bin Fahd University in Saudi Arabia. On behalf of my colleague Dr. Aliya Zafar, I'm presenting our paper on COVID-19 and its influence on students' GPA or students' performance. In the introduction, we need to start with our motivation to do this study. Our motivation is just we try to investigate why students have cheated more than before online exam when students were sitting inside the classroom and do the exam. Many instructors have accused students of cheating online more than in class because it's easy to cheat online. But we said we need to investigate more because some studies have shown that COVID-19 has influenced students or everybody's stress, anxiety, and well-being. And other studies have shown that if somebody has been stressed out or anxious or worried about something, they are more likely to cheat. And exam is cheating or exam is unethical behavior. So we try to find out if there's a connection that might be indirectly that COVID-19 has pushed students to cheat or not. That's the motivation beside or behind this study. When we start with COVID-19, everybody knows about COVID-19, what started in 2020, 2021, 2022, probably until the mid 2021. So online exam cheating is not something new in academia, but it has increased dramatically in many universities, and some universities try to stop it or minimize number of cheatings between students by uh, putting cameras or applying or implementing some software like Blackboard browser and everything. So we thought about to study or the cause of cheating be psychologically, not just keep accusing the students of cheating during the online exam. In the methodology, we started with a data collection after we had our research question to answer, and we formulate our idea about how to start our study. The first thing, because it's a qualitative study, we thought about how to collect our data. So our data I started with just trying and see if there is something happening among students, if the students can give us honest answer to understand whether this is reality or not reality. So we started to write surveys and we chose a small group to just make sure that yes, the students have suffered from stress, yes, students have cheated. Just a sample of students to get that. Once we had the confirmation that happening, then we started to interview students after we wrote uh, we started with semi-structured interview and we interviewed students one-on-one, 17 male students and 13 female students. Once we reached the number 25, I think we have reached the saturation of the study itself because students just started to repeat the same answer. So we thought there is no reason to keep interviewing more students as long as students they started to ask to answer the questions the same way or giving us the same answer. So the level of saturation has been uh, reached, and that's why we stopped it at 25 students. Of course, for this study, we confirmed to the students that their ethical rights are here if they don't want to be interviewed, if they don't want to stop their interview at any time, or if they don't want to continue, their data will be collected and it will be saved in a safe place and it will be destroyed after the study right away. We use the grounded theory and the thematic analysis to analyze our results. Here is the thematic analysis for the interviews. And if you go to the next slide, we're going to see our propositions coming out of this all COVID-19 influence of anxiety, boredom, frustration, anger, stress, and well-being. And these are the ones that affected the student GPA negatively. Thank you very much for listening. And if you have a question after this presentation, you can go ahead and ask your question.